Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And last few days I am not available, so that's why we are not able to make such a videos on my YouTube. So today I'm going to give you the new concept which we are going to try to take a trade based on the opening range. I hope you know very well what is the opening range breakout. So in this video I am going to use the scanner to make a trade based on ORB strategy. So ORB strategy is nothing about the opening range breakout. So we are using a 15 minutes range breakout. So in the 15 minutes, so we'll open any chart. So I find out a stock for today. These four stocks which I taken for a study: Torrent Pharma, Indalco, Chola Finance, and VEDL. These are the stocks which I am taken for a today's trade, which I used for my 15 minutes breakout intraday trade. So most of the people who are asking about an intraday trade. So but here I pick out the stock which is helping me to take a trade by tomorrow. Very simple way. So I use some of the stocks which is giving you such a great opportunity. Today itself I'm selecting the stock which I'm going to take a trade by tomorrow. So that will help me to find out such a great trade by using a opening range. So let me try to take this Torrent Pharma, which I'm focusing for a opening range breakout trade on 15 minutes time frame. You know very well. So what is the opening range? So this is the first 15 minutes candle where today it started, and this stock I already taken by yesterday for today's trading. So that is the beauty. So we know opening range breakout. So what is the risk for the trade of the first 15 minutes? So 563.85 is the lowest level and 578 is the highest level. So where we are taken somewhere, so 578, right? Almost 15 rupees is the risk for the trade. You are ready to take that much of risk? We may be trying to take a trade based on the strategy, right? If the risk is not suitable, you may ignore the trade which is uh, not suitable on your risk. But here it broken that low, so there is a sell entry point, and we are keeping the stop loss over here, that day high. So and finally you see there is a big drop in the movement, and it coming down to 522 in intraday. It is more than 40 points down. So we are taking a risk of 15 and it generated more than 40 points in intraday itself. That is the beauty of this particular stock selection. And the second stock which I am focusing for a sale opportunity on first 15 minutes breakout. The second one is Indalco. Let me try it out in an Indalco. So this is the first 15 minutes time frame. So let's remove this marking. So can you able to see this four stock which I have selected for a first 15 minutes breakout. So here it breaken out on upside. It's not giving you breakdown. So it has given a breakout at 138.8. So that is what a buy. You give the stop loss for that 135.4. So somewhere around 3 rupees, 3.4 rupees is your stop loss. Then market moves towards 100. And so this is what not a in the Indalco, it is in the copper. It moves towards 142 plus. So exactly it moves to 143, I think. So from here it gives you 5 rupees profit. Even today Nifty is down by 300 point. Today's totally the Nifty fallen down by 300 point, but this stock is performed in bullish mode, but this stock performed in bearish mode. Right? And then the third stock, which is Chola Finance. Then you see that the Chola Finance result, how it became. The trade around 12 rupees is the risk for the trade. 670 and 682. Risk is around 12. From there it coming down to 650, almost 20 point profit. So it never breaks its opening range. So it is broken down and fallen down very big and gives you such a great opportunity to make money. And the fourth stock which I selected for a tomorrow's trading, that is for today, that is got a VEDL, which is I'm going to focus for a selling opportunity as well as buying opportunity, where I get an opportunity VEDL on first 15 minutes. The range for the stock is somewhere around 360 and 356. 356. This is the range. Almost 4 rupees is the risk for the trade when the market moves towards 370, more than 10 rupees plus. So I selected a 4 stock for my trading. 2 is performed in big good way in a negative mode, and 2 are performed in a positive way. But overall market was almost 1.7% down. Almost Nifty is down by 300 points. But this day we have a 4 stock selected that gives you almost good accuracy, right? So this is what the method which we have created, and that was working good and well. So if you are ready to find out this kind of trade, so sir, after market you can tell anything which is going good and better, but in a live market how we can do, that is what the main questions from you, right? I will give you tomorrow's stock. These are the stocks which I am going to focus for a tomorrow. If you want to note it down, first one is Indigo, Bank of Baroda, GNFC. So these three stocks, Indigo, Bank of Baroda, GNFC is my stock which is going to focus for a tomorrow. So now I'm going to add on these stocks on my terminal. Indigo. Indigo is the first one which I'm going to add, but I don't know how it is going to perform tomorrow. Is that right? Indigo, then Bank Baroda, Bank of Baroda, and the third one would be GNFC. Let's play with the 15 minutes breakout tomorrow. I don't know which kind of levels it is going to create. So I'm going to remove, what is this? Executive. These three, fours are going, and these threes are coming. These three stocks which I'm going to focus for tomorrow, and I don't know these stocks are going to show you that a particular break and that opening range. I don't know what kind of the opening range. Tomorrow only we will know at 9:30 what is the range for the stock and how it is going to give you a profit. So everything we are going to plan for a tomorrow itself. So but I selected the stock for a tomorrow. These are the stocks which I'm focusing for a today. These are the stocks which I'm focusing for tomorrow. So this same stock will coming to the tomorrow's in this particular level. The new stock will be applied here. So let me try it out. Let's see what will happen in that particular stock of Indigo, Bank of Baroda, GNFC tomorrow. That's my idea. So let I shared my idea, and we will see tomorrow. So if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment in the comment box. Till thank you for watching, and thanks for subscribing with me. Thank you so much. Just try with that 15 minutes opening range breakout trade. Thank you so much.